today's our weird on from today in the park. We decided yesterday to do a park today. We weren't planning on going till tomorrow. So last night I had full intention of recording a video of showing you what we've bought over the last couple of days, and we got in. We went to Walgreens, got some more snacks and some beers. And then we got back, had a pizza. I think the minute I finished eating pizza, I fell asleep, and I slept for at least 10 hours. I slept on the sofa on Lynette. I then tried to go to bed, and I slept the minute I got into bed, which, for those who know me, I really have trouble sleeping. So to sleep for 10 hours is an accomplishment. But I haven't really slept the last couple of days leading up to this holiday. So yeah, it's been a really good sleep. So Lynette's just getting ready. I'm all packed with the park bag with all the essentials. We've got hand wipes, we've got hand sanitizer with bug sprayed, sun creamed, cooling towels, water bottles, carabiners, bags, phone chargers, the whole bag. The reason we're doing it this way is we're wrecking to see what we might not need, because if there's stuff I don't need to carry, I won't. So we're going to head on to the parks a bit and we'll go from there. We are currently walking down Main Street, USA. I cried.
I didn't.
We can take you closer and do some bits. This is going to be fun. We're now part of the parade. I don't know the words. Fantasy.
Fourscore and 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men.
Currently in the queue for Tiana's. Just done the Hall of Presidents. Now we're going to do Tiana's. So that was day one in Magic Kingdom. We did 2 areas-ish. Had some snacks, did some shopping, did 2 rides, did Pirates of the Caribbean, 3 rides, 4 rides.
4 rides.
4 rides. We did Pirates of the Caribbean, which was amazing. I met Jack Sparrow. We did Tiana's, we did the Hall of Presidents, and we did Big Thunder Mountain, all of which were amazingly themed. It's a Sunday afternoon. We didn't wait more than 20 minutes for any of the rides, which was quite good. And we had some snacks. We had to be out by 6 because it was Mickey's Halloween night. But we've got a good day tomorrow, and we're going to do Be Our Guest, which is your pick. Yep. And some other bits and bobs as well. So it's going to be a slightly longer day in the parks. Hopefully get some more done. We've got lightning lanes for tomorrow as well. So we're going to do them, rebook. I don't know how it all works anymore. But we're going to give them a go. We probably won't need them, but 20 minutes is... 0 minutes is better than 20 minutes. So we're going to give them a go. Anything tomorrow?
Fireworks.
Fireworks tomorrow as well.
Do the fireworks.
We're going to do the fireworks tomorrow as well. Yeah, a really good day. Really good. I'm glad we did a small recce day today. Kind of prepped us for the rest of it. So, yeah, join us tomorrow for more Magic Kingdom. Good night.